Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2016 Toyota Camry LE 2.5 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. Okay, first we're going to be turning the ignition on 2 clicks. So now we're going to be pushing this trip button to trip A. So now we're going to turn the engine off. Hold the trip button down. Turn the ignition on 2 times. And that's how you reset a maintenance light. So that's how you reset a maintenance required light. If you got any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.